Hi student, this video is about homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation is in form of dy over dx equal to gv, where v equal to y over x. We have a 6 step to solve homogeneous differential equation. The first step, let the equation be in the standard form dy over dx equal to gy over x. Number 2, substitute v equal to y over x, or we can write y equal to vx and substitute dy over dx equal to v plus x times dv over dx. Okay, this actually we get from differentiate y equal to vx. So we apply product rule, and then we get dy over dx equal to v plus x times dv over dx. Okay, number 3, separate the variable. Number 4, integrate both sides, and then we solve. Lastly, we substitute v equal to y over x. So now let's move to first example. We have dy over dx equal to y plus x over x. So our equation actually already in standard form. So we can simplify on right hand side equal to y over x plus x over x, or we can write dy over dx equal to y over x plus 1. Okay, next we can substitute v equal to y over x and dy over dx equal to v plus x dv over dx. So left hand side we can substitute v plus x dv over dx equal to v plus 1. Okay, we want to separate the variable, so we can move v to right hand side. So x dv over dx equal to v plus 1 minus v. So x dv over dx equal to 1, and then we separate the variable. We get dv equal to dx over x, and then integrate both sides. Integrate 1 dv equal to integrate 1 over x dx. So integrate left hand side respect to v, and integrate right hand side respect to x. So left hand side we get v equal to, okay, right hand side integrate 1 over x equal to ln x plus c. And lastly, we can substitute v equal to y over x. So y over x equal to ln x plus c. This solution actually is, we write in logarithmics. So how to write the solution in exponential function? Actually we can rearrange ln x equal to y over x minus c, and then you need to remember that ln actually refer to log base e x equal to y over x minus c. So based on this equation, y over x minus c actually refer to power. So we have x equal to e power of y over x minus c. Okay, next, second example. Here we have x dy over dx equal to y plus square root x square minus y square. So first step, we want to write in standard form. Since on left hand side we have x times dy over dx, so what we need to do, we need to divide all term with x. So we get dy over dx equal to y over x plus square root x square minus y square over x. Okay, how to simplify on right hand side? Since we have radical, actually we can substitute v equal to y over x, but now we can substitute y equal to vx. We actually want to eliminate y, so we want to write in term of v and x, and then dy over dx equal to v plus x times dv over dx. And we can substitute left hand side, v plus x dv over dx equal to y over x equal to v plus square root. Since the second term we can simplify, or we can write in form of y over x, so we can substitute y equal to vx. So x square minus vx square over x, and then we can expand plus square root x square plus minus minus v square x square over x. So we want to simplify term in radical, so we can factor out x square, so we get equal to v plus square root x square times 1 minus v square over x. Okay, as we know, if we have square root a times b, we can write equal to square root a times square root b. So for this problem, we can write square root x square times 1 minus v square equal to square root x square times square root 1 minus v square. So equal to v plus square root x square times square root 1 minus v square over x, and then we can cancel out this x. Square root x square equal to x, so equal to, okay, right hand side we have v plus square root 1 minus v square, and then left hand side we have v plus x dv over dx, and then rearrange because we want to separate the variable. We get x dv over dx equal to v plus square root 1 minus v square minus v. So x dv over dx equal to square root 1 minus v square. Okay, next we can separate the variable. We get dv over square root 1 minus v square equal to dx over x, and then integrate both sides. Integrate 1 over square root 1 minus v square dv equal to integrate 1 over x dx. Okay, on left hand side we can define a square equal to 1, a equal to 1, u square equal to v square, u equal to v, and du equal to dv. Actually on our left hand side we get integrate this pattern of equation. We get sine inverse u over a equal to ln x plus c, and then substitute sine inverse u equal to v over a equal to 1 equal to ln x plus c, and lastly just substitute v equal to y over x. So we get sine inverse y over x equal to ln x plus c. Okay, thank you.